this video, you learn the truth behind Nguyen Hue and what actually happens. Firstly, you're being approached by two young guys and they claim to be from university and try to sell you some product when you're just like trying to sit here and relax and enjoy the view. Alright, this is one thing. The second thing that you guys should know is that there are rats. Yes, there are rats in the area behind the long bench. I counted a few and was eating my Nina last time. Today they are less, they are hidden in the bushes. These things should be aware of. There are people playing the games of the shuttlecock game, but do not stand too close to them because the shuttlecock may land to your body, your head, your chest or anything like that, and if they kill with a big force, then they'll be painful to the body. So those university students come back again, they're going to target another group of like tourists or something, the two of them. Please note there are also several beggars wanting your money. They approach you and then they'll just act very pitiful and then say they're hungry, they point to their stomach. But in fact, I've seen a few of them buying the cigarettes and alcohol with the money from the donations. The next thing, the traffic in Saigon is really like polluted. More safe for the motorbike. So if you sit near the rubbish bin there, the little long benches, then you're going to suffer from air poisoning. So you're advisable to wear a face mask. Here comes another like the beggar on the wheelchair. It's a good place to take the selfie, but be careful of pickpockets, especially during the crowded hours, peak hours. There are too many patients. Now it's like not too many. If you enjoy the shuttlecock game, this is a place where the most players hang out. Of course, there are also other places like the public parks, but there are fewer groups there, and they actually only play in the afternoon and evening. At night, if you want to play and come to see the game, you'll be like Nguyen Hue Walking Street. This is the area. There are also restaurants on both sides of the road, this side and that side, as well as hotels, 3, 4 and 5-star hotel. And then if you walk to the back, the very front, you will need to cross the traffic light to go to the Pat Down ferry terminal, where you can take a ferry to the neighboring islands like Vũng Tàu and Con Đảo, which is like 3 hours ferry away. Do not be shocked if you see rubbish in a lot of places. On the sidewalks, because this is Vietnam. They don't really have the fines for the littering, unlike other developed countries. So just be culturally respectful of this. During the daytime, it can be quite hot, so bring water bottle so that you'll not be like suffering from thirst or anything like that. Now, what happens if you want to visit the toilet, but you see around here no toilet? There are two solutions. Actually, there are two or three solutions. The first one will be go to the hotel and ask nicely, is it okay if you use a toilet? And then you can even offer to pay 5,000 or 10,000 dong. And then you can take your own time. The second one is go to a restaurant. In most of the restaurants, they have a toilet there. And thirdly, if the hotel is near to this Nguyen Hue Walking Street, just get a grab motorbike back and then do your business and come back as soon as possible to continue your tour. So you guys see there are actually restaurants and convenience store opposite the street. Is Circle K, one of the Vietnam's convenience store. You can buy drinks, snacks easily with no problem. And then the Mei Chai is a milk tea, as well as some street food over there. There are also some nice restaurants. And actually from here you can walk to quite a lot of tourist attraction because this is the central. You can walk to the Vincom Center, Dong Quai, just in front and turn right. And if you go straight is the People Committee of Vietnam, right there, and you can see the statue of Mr. Ho Chi Minh right there. When crossing the road, just be careful when you're straight down, don't go backwards and cross slowly, even raise your hand if possible. Be careful of anyone too friendly to you because firstly they want to try to sell something, secondly it can be a scam. And just take note. If you guys enjoyed the video so far, subscribe and like so that more people can find the video. Thanks very much. There may be cases where a male guy and then they approach you trying to polish your shoe for a small fee, let's say 50,000 dong. But after the whole servicing ends, and he told you that 500,000 dong is a final fee, and then you got a big shock. Why this is the case? So, and then he will tell you that he done something special to make the shoe better. The other sports like the rollerblading, and sometimes we see people like playing this game, or even if they like to jog here sometimes in the afternoon, evening when it's cooler, or even in the morning, daytime. And there's a hotel called Kindle Royal Hotel Saigon, which is like 3 or 4 star. One night is about 1.5 million Vietnam dong, so that's for one double room for 2 person, 2 packs. So if you guys really want to stay here, you can consider there, because of the restaurant, and if you just come down is the Nguyen Hue Walking Street, and there's a Royal Coffee. They have their own coffee house as well. The Nguyen Hue Walking Street is now the area you can find 20 girls wearing sexy or trendy clothes, fashionable clothes right here.